And then let's talk about Nyakumule Xenela Olo Liliana Kwamamdlalos.
Ole Liliana.
Nani bizani konje that place where you used to perform back then?
The fireplace.
Fireplace, yeah.
Tell me about it, because mina ekhaya bebengavumi ngiphume mara yazi ungiluzisa ama opportunities ekhaya bebengavumi because most of the time naniqala sekulate nyana. So tell me about the experience when now there was Untando. That's when Untando used to come as well and perform there, right? How was it? How did you be part of it, and what was the whole purpose of having that platform?
It was inspired by Islaches.
Okay.
There was the open mic session that used to be big back then, where Abu Amo were discovered.
Pro Kid
were discovered.
Yes, it's like I said, I used to go.
So we first went there, no Philemon. And we were like, wow, this is amazing. Vana, how about we take this to a cast? Like, since there's something like this. Okay, A Tuge had to be different because of we are reggae and raga fans. You understand? Gahle, ukuze reggae ne raga ibe this big ekasi khona manje. It's because of Tina.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yazi ugaye ongikhumbuzana nini? Uthemba lo ama tattoos. Khona lo mfana lo oke waba ne reality show onama tattoos. Ngizonibonisa like he reminds me of you guys. Trust me.
Style sakhe.
Yeah.
I think amashita bhaya ne ku-industry ngathi babe basimamela kakhulu le style sethu because usandile naye bekanohamba noNtando mhlawumbe kuma performance akhona nami nje kuGetholingo ngendlela bengenza ngakhona. So kunabantu after thina kwathi ukuthuleka mhlawumbe like uGetholingo, I've heard so many guys abacula abasounda like mina. Abanye sounded like usangile. So I was thinking ukuthi mhlambe they got hold of our stuff basimamela, you know, we have inspired a lot of people.
Yeah. So now let's go back to the structure. Now you come from a Kuslages, you're coming guys.
So we decided, you know what, guys, let's have something similar to this. But again, since which is fine, hip hop is allowed since it's Buya Corner. We are from hip hop Nati, but it's gonna be based on reggae and dancehall. And exactly that's what we did. Sahlanganisa sound nyana, although it was hard. But
it's always hard.
And it was amazing because people used to like flock in to our sessions every weekend.
I'm so sad because of social media. I wasn't there by
then. Yeah. But
I'm so sad because they would have. But is it too late? Maybe now I'm a clipsing, right?
We don't even.
For sure, I'm even if now.
We don't even have clips there, or even if we had them, because you know, the technology. Yeah. So, but it was a great experience, a fireplace, and a lot of people they still ask about it even today.
Yes.
Why didn't you know?
It's like why? What happened to?
And why
we miss it? Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, ila challenges face, you know, like it would have been better if maybe we had our own sound system and we had our own venue, which we have now.
Okay.
But manje so isikhathi asanaso isikhathi yabo sesikhulile sesiwara more about our families.
Tell me.
Trying to make ends meet. So but we are still here.
Yeah,
we are still here. Now we have even bigger dreams. It's no longer just about open mic sessions, but making festivals. You understand? That's what we're planning now.
Okay.
And it's something that we've been pursuing for all these years. But hey, it's always hard. It's always hard. It always kuba khona izinto ezifike zibe ama obstacle and then ziyasivimbela yabo. But ke mawumuntu you don't give up.
You don't.
You don't give up.
You don't.
Because namanje, we are still making music.
Yeah,
but people
I
don't
know. Me, I know.
Yes,
I
we
mean,
still have-
that is
Yeah,
why we're sitting here, guys.
Yeah.
So tell me, when I you got that text, and what came first in your mind? Like ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi kwafikani ekuqaleni. When I said I would love to have a sit with you, Philemon.
Oh, okay, give me the kanjani ngosandile.
Yes.
I was like, mfana, for real? Impela sure. Sandile athi, sure. Unento esoyihambayo. It's high mfethu if ikhona it's an opportunity asahambe yabo.
Yeah.
Because I would love ukuthi ngibuyele understand ngibonakale futhi again. I understand because it's been long for me, especially for me. I understand since I'm a family man.
Yes.
But not to say that ngifuna ukubonakala. I'm here because of the love of what I have for umculo. Anything that has to do with music for me, it's a yes. That's
Please
why I'm
come
here.
back. Whether maybe you as a shoot house afuna ukubonakala, but I know what you did for Ikasilethu. Not just Ikasilethu, I know what you did for people who believes in music. You've healed people. Come back. Come back.
No,
Sunday.
like my friend said,
Yes.
umculo wona ukhona. Yeah,
No, Mina, I know. Trust me, I know. I know. So when I put it, what was the first thing in your mind when I asked you to come and have a sit with me?
Man, I wouldn't say the excitement.
No. That's not what I'm asking as well. Pela, no, it cannot. Sometimes it cannot be excitement. Be like, uyangijwayela lo.
No,
With such things, you know. Yeah.
No, I mean, I felt a good time, man. Why not? It's among explaining. I was like, no problem. And then I check, Spanish so sensitive. And then I was like, then why not?
Yeah.
It's a good thing to see upliftani
Yes.
as see we are from the same hood. Sifana nabantwana bomuntu.
right?
Yeah.
You know? Support
Hence bokhuluma ukuthi uthando eninasibonisa lona from Swaneville and support ukuthi sesayifila na. Yes, we did. We did because even nanoma sekufika kuma stages njengoba sikuma Coca-Cola Pop Stars la kumele kuvotiwe khona, we know it very well ukuthi most of the votes wasuka from eKasi yabo. So yeah, eKasi have like dala lisibhekile kudala behind us yabo. So yeah, that's what came to my mind ukuthi why not, let's do this,
because my goal in this whole thing it's this thing ukuthi we always focus because it is negative too much, and we have beautiful things at Ikasilethu that people are not talking about. We are always vocal about other negative things, and I was like, you know what, yes, I stay far right now, but I don't know, I have this thing, I have this void, you know. Ekasi. And for me this has filled that.
For real?
For sure.
No.
It has filled it, you know. And I have a lot of lists, and abanye abantu they have this thing ukuthi you have to be about being relevant, what's happening now. Mina I'm who I am for what has happened and that's still happening, you know. And I appreciate ukuthi you decided to come.